Hello.
Hello.
So, Satwik, I hope you got into our data science career transition program. So, may I know a bit about you so that I can just guide you on your journey or on your career transition roadmap?
Yes,
Yeah,
Khan.
please.
Yeah, I just completed my bachelor's in the year 2020,
Mm.
and then I got placed in PwC in the last year, in the month of August,
Okay.
as an Oracle consultant.
Mm-mm-mm.
Yeah, and in my lockdown, I actually did some, this AI/ML course
Okay.
from Let's Upgrade.
Okay.
Yeah, so I got certification from there, but then, as I keep watching your videos where I actually understood that, live projects are actually more important.
So, see, now as you already know, like real-time projects are very important. Now you are saying like you are from Oracle background and you